question 8. So for part A, we're being asked to express this, which is the denominator, in the form of the R formula. Now those have to be learnt, okay, and in particular you've got to learn the bit in red really, because they sort of guide you towards the bit in black. Now this one was particularly sneaky because they've done it the other way around, so A is 7 and B is 24. Now, R is square root of A squared plus B squared, so that gives us 25. And R cos theta equals A, well we've just worked out R to be 25, A is 7, allowing us to work out that alpha is 73.74. So an alternative version of 24 sin theta plus 7 cos theta is this bit in purple, 25 cos bracket theta minus 73.74. Now, part B, we're being asked to maximize V. Okay, no we're not, we're being asked to minimize V, minimize V, but in order to minimize V, we're going to maximize the denominator. That's what I was getting at. We've got to maximize this denominator. Well, we've just worked out that this denominator can be rewritten in this alternative format, so we're looking to maximize this. Now, thinking about our cos curve, remember the maximum value we're going to get for this part here is 1. Okay, because we're trying to maximize this. The highest cos value we can get of an angle is 1, so we're going to maximize the denominator, minimize V, when cos theta minus 73.74 equals 1. This will give us 25 times 1, giving us a denominator of 25. So V will be 21 over 25 as our minimum. Now for part C, they're asking us we were told to, given that Kate's speed has the value found in part B, okay, so all of this applies. So what we're saying is that the speed in part B applies, therefore the angle in part B applies. Now remember what I said a bit earlier, we were saying that this bit was having to be 1. Now cos of what equals 1? Cos of naught equals 1. So in order to make this bracket naught, we need theta to be 73.74. So our angle is 73.74. Once you've realized that, once you've realized this angle has got to be 73.74, to work out the length of AB, the hypotenuse is straightforward. Just GCSE SOHCAHTOA. We've got our opposite side being 7, our angle being 73.74, allowing us to work out the length of the hypotenuse. Just be slightly careful, it's that little trick where our unknown is on the denominator. So AB is 7 over sin 73.74. So just be careful there. Having done the hard bit, it'd be a shame to mess that up. Now for part D, we're being really asked to start again. We're now being told that our speed is 1.68. So V is 1.68. We've got to work out this angle. So V equals 21 over this, but remember we've got this alternative format for this. We've got our bit in purple. So V equals 21 over this, but we're going to have our V, which is 1.68, being 21 over this, being 25 over cos theta minus 73.74. So if we go and just use our calculators to tidy this up, so if we go and rearrange it firstly, so have 25 cos theta minus 73.74 equaling 21 over 1.68, that's 25 over 2 rather. The 25's cancel, so we're left with cos theta minus 73.74 equals 1 over 2 equaling a half. Now just be careful, we need to make sure we pick up all the values, so follow what we did for C2. Let capital X equal theta minus 73.74 and change our range of values accordingly. So no longer boundaries of 0 and 150, but 73.74 less than these are our boundaries. Now cos capital X equals 0.5, that's our substitution, and using our calculator we get our first value being 60. So our values within this range here are plus 60 and minus 60. They are our capital X values. To get back to theta, we have to go and add 73.74. okay, x plus 73.74 equals theta. So adding 73.74 to these two values, we get a final answer of 13.7 and 133.7.